Hi, I'm Anthony Caggiano. We're here at Bath and Body Works in Margate. This is an exciting grand opening for this business, a place where you can come in and just enjoy the sights, the smells, the colors, and while you're here, there are scents that'll make your house awesome and smell great, and they even have items where you can try me. So we're here thrilled that this company has opened up in Margate. And Commissioner Simone, would you like to say something?
Sure. Welcome to the Margate family. We're so happy to have you here in Margate. Your store is absolutely beautiful, and I'm glad that I can now shop here instead of going to the store in Deerfield Beach.
Yay.
So we're so happy to have you. We hope you're here for, I know you've been open for 3 months, and we hope you're here for 30 years.
Yes, thank you so much.
We have
happy to be here.
We have a certificate of recognition for you from Bath and Body Works. The City of Margate congratulates you on the grand opening of your business. We wish you many years of success in our city.
Thank you.
Would you like to give your address and the hours of your store?
Yeah, of course. So we are in the Lakewood Shopping Center. Our address is 5445 West Atlantic Boulevard, of course in Margate. We are open every day. So Sundays we have 11 to 7 operating hours, and then Monday through Saturday 10 a.m. to 9 p.m.
And we have events here from the Chamber of Commerce. Was there anything you'd like to add?
Yeah, so first off, congratulations.
Thank you.
To you all, to you and your entire team. Welcome to the neighborhood.
Thank you.
If you've never been to Bath and Body Works, we highly encourage you to check them out. They have amazing wallflowers, amazing candles, amazing body fragrance. So again, if you haven't been here, please come. Like she mentioned, the address is 5445 West Atlantic Boulevard, and we hope you check them.
Is there anything else you'd like to add about what's going on in the store?
Yeah, of course. So we make people happy through the power of fragrance. That's what we are all about. So we encourage you guys to come and visit. We have personal care for men and for women. We also have amazing fragrances for the home that I'm sure everyone will love. This is America's favorite fragrance brand. So we're happy to be here and to share all of these amazing products and fragrances with you guys. Thank you.
Congratulations.
Yay.